G'day, Matt from Logic Garage here. I'm standing here with this Toyota Avalon. We've just done a pretty extensive detail over the last few days. Quite a big transformation. Now, this isn't a supercar by any means. It has a bit of character to it, but it's a big transformation, and I think it was worth getting some footage and showing you guys what we do. This one's been sitting for a little while, only a couple of years I'd say. Out in the open, under trees, it was covered in bird crap, mould, mildew, tree sap, everything, you name it, it had it. We went through a pretty big decontamination process to remove all of that, and then the whole polishing process, and now we're left with the end result here. So we're pretty stoked with it, and we'll give you the run around and the process, and let us know what you think.
playing music, and if I just make a little bit of money, I'd rather do what I love with a passion and make a little money